I'm Deborah. Guess what am I gonna unbox today? Did you ever get frustrated which phone to buy? There's a pricing and tax pack. Let me introduce you the brand new entry phone that everyone could afford. Ta-da! It's the realme C11 that costs you less than 500 ringgit. The realme C11 comes with two color variants, which is the mint green and the pepper gray, and I'm holding the pepper gray model right now. As you can see, it has a very unique surface that can prevent fingerprint stain. This phone is really lightweight and it's just 196 grams. Comes with a 6.5-inch mini drop full screen with 720p and a ratio of 20:9. Why is it called the mini drop screen? It's because of this notch, and here's the very thick bottom bezel. Watching videos on this phone is quite decent thanks to the brightness, although the color is slightly oversaturated. As for the audio, it is loud and clear. Here's a sample of the audio. The phone features the MediaTek Helio G35 and entry-level chipset, 2GB of RAM, and 32GB of internal storage. If this is not enough for your daily use, you may slot in a micro SD card of up to 256GB. The C11 supports the face unlock instead of the fingerprint unlock. As for the AI dual camera, you can find the 30MP main camera and 2MP of the portrait lens, which support nightscape. As for the front camera, it comes with the 5MP AI selfie sensor. For the video recording, it does support up to 1080p or 720p with 30 frames per second. For an entry-level phone, I personally think the picture quality is quite decent. There is also a portrait mode for you to take a nice portrait photo. Besides that, the battery has 5000 mAh and supports reverse charging. That means you can charge the other devices by using this phone as well, hitting two birds with one stone. Realme also claims that the phone can last for 40 days on super long standby. So guys, guess how much the actual price is? It's just 429 ringgit! Ta-da! That means you can still use the 500 ringgit balance to go for a date. Overall, as an entry-level phone, the realme C11 is quite nice and budget-friendly. Oh yeah, there's one more thing. If you are looking for a pair of wireless earphones, you may consider the realme Buds Q earphone. Only costs you 129 ringgit. It can last for 20 hours in music playback, and that's a really long time. So that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Deborah. Goodbye!